How many signals can be made with 5 different flags by raising them at least one at a time? Now we have 5 different flags. So with a difference in arrangement, we can give a different signal. So therefore, arrangement is also important. Order is also important in this question. Now we have to select at least one at a time. So therefore, there are total 5 flags. Out of 5, I can select any one flag. As I have selected one flag, I can arrange that one flag in one factorial way, or I can select 2 flags at a time and arrange those 2 flags in 2 factorial ways. Plus, I can select 3 flags at a time and arrange those 3 flags in 3 factorial ways. Or I can select 4 flags at a time and arrange those 4 flags in 4 factorial ways. Or I can select all 5 flags and arrange them in 5 factorial ways. These are the different number of signals which we can get. Now let's solve this. So 5C1, that is 5, 1 factorial, that is 1, plus 5C2, that is 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 2 factorial, that is 2, plus 5C3, 5C3 is equal to 5C2, so that becomes 5 into 4 upon 2 into 3 factorial, that is 6, plus 5C4, that is 5C1, that is 5 into 4 factorial, that is 24, plus 5C5 is 1 plus 5 factorial, that is 120. So 1 into 120. So let's solve this. So 2 gets cancelled out. So this becomes 5 plus 20 plus 2 3s are 6. So 5 4s are 20, 3s are 60, plus 24 5s are 120 plus 120. Now if you add this, the addition comes out to be 325. So answer will be option B.